Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, the weekend is here. We got a free watch face that we want to give to you. I don't know how long it's going to be free, but make sure you go download it ASAP. Now, the name of this watch face is called Super Color. It's a nice looking watch face. We got a casual weekend coming up for some of us, right? Like myself, I got to work, but then I'm off on Sunday. So this is that everyday watch face that you can wear on your wrist at any given time. Now, it's not a dress up watch face, but a casual watch face for any day of the week. But let's go ahead, let's check it out, right? Now, first of all, what you're going to be greeted with in the always on mode is a nice color. It's going to be dimmed down almost in a black and white thing, but more so gray. But when the watch face is on, definitely it has some color to it. Again, somewhat of an energy saving watch face, because if you look at the background, it's all black. Then you get your date. Of course, you get your battery percentage. Right up under the battery percentage, you will get your step information if you need to keep up with your step status, okay? Get nice big bold digital time in the middle. This is definitely not a bad look by Charles. I love the font on this one. I like when they change up the font. Give us something different. This one's nice. Now, you can change the color, and this one has tons of colors. We're going to go through quite a few of them, but let's just check it out. Double tap in the middle. And I like the way it changes. You see the difference in the color. You got blue, somewhat of purple, pinkish. But if you keep on tapping, it changes as you go through. They go orange and green. And I like this. Depending on how you're feeling for that day or what color combination you like, you can choose whatever you like. Just continue to cycle through the many, and I do mean many different colors that this watch face has to offer. And Charles always gives us an abundance of colors that we can change to. All right, so with that being said, people, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're gonna go download this watch face, and know that he got more awesome watch faces in his lineup, so make sure you take a look at that as well. And with that, people, enjoy the weekend, have fun, enjoy family and friends, but most of all, people, be safe. All right, and if you can, share the video. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.